Before I started using the A.G.E therapy gel, I was about 5 minutes away from calling a dermatologist. I was really frustrated with my skin. I was experiencing some adult acne. The fine lines were getting more noticeable. There was a dullness to my skin.
We designed the TruAge skin line specifically to target sugar in the skin. Sugar is a key component of A.G.E formation, and it's been proven in multiple studies that sugar, or what they call glycation in the skin, is the main reason that our skin ages.
A.G.E Therapy Gel is the core product under TruAge Skin. It's a light, weightless gel that's safe for all skin types and all ages. It has 3 main benefits. It protects the skin, soothes, and repairs. It protects against environmental damage and free radicals and future formation of A.G.Es that damage the skin. It soothes against irritation and redness. And finally, it repairs the skin against damage caused by A.G.Es, reversing the signs of aging and preserving youth.
Sugar attacks protein and forms A.G.Es. We've been able to show in the laboratory through our experiments and our research that ingredients in the A.G.E therapy gel actually interrupt that process. Now, these reactions that occur that form A.G.Es that happen in your body and in your skin also occur in bread. Bread has sugar and proteins, and with heating, these A.G.E forming processes move forward rapidly. Now, if you want to show what the A.G.E therapy gel does for your skin, you can actually place it on bread and then toast the bread. And you'll see that everywhere except where that gel is, A.G.E forming reactions have occurred in the browning.
The first time I used the gel, I immediately felt a refreshing, cool feeling on my skin, and I could see my pores were shrinking and those lines around my eyes were dissipating. I'm still using the A.G.E therapy gel. I feel like it's completely interrupted the aging process, and I feel like I look younger.